ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rob CK. I am the founder of SuperEasyWebsite.com, and today I'm going to give you a tour of SuperEasyWebsite.com. We are launching the beta. The beta is launched, and so we are building up our initial user base. If you're not already a part of that, which you might be if you're watching this video, then I invite you to become a part of the initial user base. It is free to sign up. So the way you do that is go to SuperEasyWebsite.com and click this big blue button. I will take you to this page where you can register and sign up for free. Click sign up, boom. That will take you to this page where you can create your initial website. So I'm going to do an example for you. I'm going to do my new Super Easy website. That's just what I'm going to call it. And then I'm going to pick a template. So right now we have one template. We've got a bunch more coming. And then if you sign up, once you actually sign up, you go to GoPro Now. If you want for $7 a month, and then I will create a custom template for you and your business. So just incredible value for $7 a month. So, or you can just sign up for one of the already made ones for free for your initial website. So I'm gonna sign up for I picked my template and I gave it a name. So I'm gonna hit create website. So once you do that, that will take you to the edit website page where you could change the template if you wanted to, or change the different tabs, which do different things. So on the theme tab, we've got some colors and stuff. I'm going to go with I'm going to do like a forest green, I think. There we go. I'm going to change this to Pacifico. All right, and that's the primary font, not the secondary font. I'm going to leave that one alone. And then we can go over to the site tab and we can just start changing the different fields here. So I'm going to say, this is the title, but I'm going to say my company name. And then you can see that change right here, my company name, boom. And then I'm going to say my company heading. My company heading or slogan. All right. And so this page is going to change a lot soon here. So, but it's going to work essentially the same way. It's just going to be even cleaner and clearer and easier to use. So, but you can do that with all these fields here, and this is how it'll work for every template. Each template will have different fields that you can update for your own business or use. Then we can go to this images tab here and pick out an image or 5 or 10, and then it'll automatically upload. Boom. And if you have multiple, they'll all be here, and you can actually rearrange them, and they will show up on your website in the correct order. So at that point, we've got some images, we've got our image up, and obviously we would spend a little more time deciding what the copy we wanted to be on here is. But at that point, we have our website working. So we can click this button, and this takes us to our special new website with all the images, all the information we put on here with our name, our specific URL that we get special. So, and then if you want to actually give yourself your own domain that you already have, you can do that here. I've got one already picked out called www.colorsoundportal.com. So you have to enter that here for this to work. But once you do that, you enter that here in the custom domain section, and then you go to wherever you got your URL. This one I got at GoDaddy, and so I entered the A records already, and this is exactly what it looks like. So you go, and I have these directions right here too, inside Super Easy website. So you add 2 A records, one with the @ sign, and at the same IP address. So 2 A records, one with the @ sign, one with www, and the same IP address, right? And like I said, that looks like, as an example, on GoDaddy, that would look just like this. But it's any other URL provider will be the same, and eventually we'll be able to sell you URLs ourselves, and you don't even have to do this, which will be great. Can't wait for that to be that's coming down the pipe. So, but that's basic. So that's how you do it. So now that I've updated this, though, this will take me to Color Sound Portal, and make sure that worked. Yeah, there we go. Color Sound Portal, boom. So there we go. Now we got Color Sound Portal with my new custom website in whatever, not even 5 minutes. So once you set this up, once you add these records, it might take a couple minutes for it to populate across the internet, But once you do that, you'll have your very own brand new website with Super Easy Website, and it's super easy. And all you'll have to ever do to update it is you just go in here, update your site. My company, I'll say new company slogan. See that here. Then if we go to Color Sound Portal, refresh, new company name. So boom. Now we can just update it just like that, and our website gets changed. Super fast, super easy. That super easy website, we're going to make it even better as fast as possible. New templates coming. My name's Rob CK. I hope you enjoy. Take care.